All right, guys. Good day. So I gave this design as an assignment for those who wanted to do something. You understand? So this is the real work. So I'm going to create from scratch. It won't take a lot of time. It's kind of easy to do. So I want to start. So what I do first of all, I just imported the design. Sorry. I just imported the picture. It's kind of far, but I'll try to see how fast to get it. Okay, this is the first car. So what I did is just something like this. So this is the second car, which is at the back of this ones. So I added the shape just like this, and the color, it's a gradient color, which is this. So the first one dark right, the right one the right one is sorry the right one is this 98041E, and then for the left is DA685D. So that's just color I used, and I'll send it to the back. Send to the back, and then like I told you, I like locking my write-ups. So I want to import the main design, Pixel Lab, which is this. So I tell you guys, if you are replicating a design, try as much as possible to make it as it is. So I'm going to import the design and send it to the back too, which is this. I'll hide these ones first of all, so I can get the first one, which is the shape, and then add the picture for this, and I'm going to arrange it the way it is here. To just like this, and then for this one, the other cars, so I will increase the sizes and then try to fit them. So I'll increase it. So this is just it. So I'm going to hide the old one. Alright, so I'm going to I'm going to put my write-up, which is I think best, let me see, best car for rent, best car for rent. Cerebrus cars. So the font I used was Bebas. I know you guys are familiar with Bebas. So like I said, I try to restrict myself to the kind of font I know that you guys will have. So I'm going to increase it. I'll put the color to white. So working on this other big picture, I reduce the opacity. I think up to 8. So I'm showing the other one so that I will know exactly where I place my text. Alright, so that is it. Okay, so the other thing I do was to reduce the line spacing, and then the other right up is find your perfect car for today. So I use CQ. Find your perfect car for today. So using CQ, and then this is how I need it. So just reduce the size and then change the color to white. Try to align it with the other one, and let's also add the shape for this other one. And then pick the gradient color, the same gradient color. So we're almost there. Send to the back, so that the car's shadow will be as if it's on the line. Understand? So I'm going to lock this up. Lock the rest of. So copy this one, and then type your contact us, which is my phone number. You can call me for your cars. Wow. 73738. So that's my contact. I'll send it down and then try to fit in, reducing the size because it's not the central focus, and then duplicating it. That's copy. So I'll say book now. I'll send it to the write down. So font to Bebas new. Okay, I'm going to recent. I'll just pick up the Bebas new, and then I will increase the size. just position it. So the last thing I did was I copied this, which is a find your perfect blah blah blah, and then went to type. There is a symbol here, which is this. So just type elite so 5, and then change the color to the gradient. Now what we are doing here is we're trying to rotate. First of all, rotate to 90. So what I did about the color is just I'm trying to retain the color combo. So I'll copy center right, and then I'll move down here. Now if I'm to on my grid and then click on this first one, the second one, I can actually move my grid up, and to see how I have aligned it, instant. So this to the right and this to the left. Looking at the sizes is 5. Let's say 4, 6. So let's use 6 here. So this side will also be 6. So that's how you work on grids. I know you guys don't actually use this, but I like using it for alignment in Pixel Lab. So looking at the alignment of this car by the right, it crosses this line. So I'm going to adjust that. Okay, so we are good to go. So this is how you check your work if it's aligned. So looking at this book now, and this contact us, the left side should be equal with the right, in as much as the up is equal with the down. So that is just what we did. So you can now off your grid line and everything seems perfect. So this is just the tutorial, and thank you. I'll see you in the next video.